Eureka AS2113A S1 Bagless upright vacuum. Description: This allows more air to pass through the vacuum. The direct air path from floor to cup decreases the distance for dirt to travel, which increases the amount of airflow for powerful suction. To clean with the attachments, simply set the suction control dial to Tools. The floor nozzle features a 5-setting height adjustment switch to clean different carpet types. The features of Eureka AS2113A S1 Bagless upright vacuum. Powerful performance to deep clean carpets. Airspeed Technology-engineered to move more air and remove more dirt for a deeper clean. Washable, reusable filter requires less frequent replacement. Lighter weight at 8 pounds yet built to last. Onboard tools effectively clean crevices, upholstery and furniture.